Okay, so we start this one off then where we're given capital F of x. And capital F of x is half of x squared plus x between 0 and 1, and defined for 0, less than 0, and 1 for bigger than 1. Okay, now capital F of x is representing the amount of area that I have from the start value up to an x value. So if we just sketch this, okay, so capital F of x will be this. For this function here, it's running from 0 to 1, so capital F of x would be the area from 0 up to a general x value. Okay, that's what capital F of x represents, the amount of area from 0 up to the x value, and the area represents the probability. So if I want the probability from 0.25 to 0.5, okay, then I can use this cumulative function in this way, that if I put in 0.25 into the formula, then I'll get that amount of area. If I put 0.5 into the formula, then I get that amount of area. So the area that I want here, 0 to 1, I want the area from 0.25 to 0.5. To that area there, and as you can see, this area here will be found by subtracting the area from 0 up to 0.25 from the area from 0 to 0.5, and then I get that region I want. And this here is what f of 0.25 is. This here is what f of 0.5 is. So this one will be f of 0.5 take away f of 0.25, and that amount of area will represent the probability that I have. So A part 1 then, so to get the probability that x is between 0.25 and 0.5, I work out f of 0.5 take away f of 0.25. So f of 0.5, replace the x with 0.5. So it's a half of 0.5 squared plus 0.5. Take away a half and replace the x with 0.25. 0.25 squared plus 0.25. So substituting into formula, then, so half, so 0.5 times 0.5 squared, take away 0.5, bracket, take away 0.5, bracket, 25 squared plus 0.25. Oops. Then 0.5 times 0.5 squared, add 0.5, close the bracket, subtract 0.5, open the bracket, 0.25 squared, add 0.25, bracket. That gives me 7 over 32. Okay, it's an answer for probability, and that's between 0 and 1. So that's okay. Second part, the median of x. Now the median of x is the value of x that gives me half the area. So to find the median of x, I solve capital F of x equal to 0.5. I want the x value that gives me an area of 0.5. So I solve half of x squared plus x equal to 0.5. Right, double both sides. So that's x squared plus x on the left, 1 on the right. Take the 1 over, and I get a quadratic equation. And then it won't factorise, so I use the quadratic formula. And the formula minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And a is, from there, a is 1, b is 1, c is minus 1. So the x is equal to minus 1 plus minus the square root of 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times minus 1 all over 2 times 1. So x equals minus 1 plus minus square root of, okay, minus 1 times 1 is minus 1 times minus 4 is plus 4, and the 1 squared, so that's square root of 5 over 2. So two answers for x, minus 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2, or minus 1 minus the square root of 5 over 2. So I need to work these two out. Minus 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. That's 0.618. And on the replay, change the plus on top to a minus to get the second answer. And that's minus 1.618. And then the median, the answer has to be between the two limits I got, between 0 and 1. And the answer which lies between those two limits is the 0.618. So the median of x is 0.618. Okay, part B, I want to find an expression for little f of x. Now, to get little f of x from capital F of x, I differentiate. Okay, capital F of x to go to little f of x, we differentiate. So differentiating half of x squared plus x, the half still stays there. Differentiate x squared is 2x, and differentiate x is 1, and that's valid for 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 1. So that's f of x. And part 2, I want to find e of x. Well, e of x is defined as the integral of x times little f of x dx from the first value to the last value, 0 to 1. So sub in for f of x, that's x times a half 2x plus 1 dx. Take the half outside the integral sign. And then I get x bracket 2x plus 1 dx, which is half the integral from 0 to 1. Now expand that out, x times 2x is 2x squared, plus x times 1 is x. Integrating this function, 2x squared goes to 2x cubed over 3, x goes to x squared over 2 from 0 to 1. So substitute 1 in first of all, that's a half of 2/3 of 1 cubed plus 1 squared over 2. Take away and then substitute 0 in, 2/3 of 0 cubed plus 0 squared over 2. Like the second bracket, because I'm multiplying by 0 in each of the terms, that is equal to 0. So I just need to evaluate the first bracket then. So that's a half of, right, 1 cubed is 1, so the first term is 2/3. 1 squared is 1 plus a half. And let's work this out, so that's 1 over 2 bracket 2 over 3 plus 1 over 2. That gives me 7/12.